What do you got?
This is from Noah, Lou, and Guys. Okay. Would Raptor fans welcome Vince Carter back to Toronto for the final season of his career?
First of all, there's like two ways to look at that question. All right. There's the way of welcome from an emotional standpoint, like round of applause. It's all good. Like never mind the exit going the way that it did with the trade request and the emotional side. But then there's also the actual practical, functional side of welcoming back. Like, are we really going to get you any minutes on the squad that we have right now? Championship level.
Is he just going to sit on the bench?
Level squad, yeah. And so I would say if he wants to take up a roster spot, a lot of young players on the Raptors, you want to come in and kind of mentor the young players, sit on the bench, be there in practice, things like this, and retire your Raptors jersey, put it on one last time. That's one thing for a league minimum salary kind of thing, so that you're not taking up too much salary cap and so on. Then I can see that taking place. But it might be a shame to have your final season, you see almost no minutes, kind of like Jeremy Lin this year. He didn't see very many minutes, especially in the playoffs. And, of course, you remember the former glory. Look, not everybody can play. Not everybody is going to be in the rotation. Yet the team is the team. And there are other contributions that we can't see in the broadcast that a player can make by being present, by being a good, positive force in a locker room, in the practice, and so on. So if there was a spot and he could come back in that context, understanding that context, then I could see it being okay. But the thing is, in the past couple of years, he's actually played minutes. He's actually been I don't even know where he's coming from right now. Sacramento, I know he's in Atlanta. But he's played some minutes. And that was on teams that were not in a great position. He was in Atlanta, Sacramento before that. Let's see there. He was playing how many minutes per game? 17 and a half minutes in Atlanta and 17 and a half minutes in Sacramento. He's not going to get those minutes in Toronto, period. Like, we have the first unit, second unit. I mean, unless he took, like, Danny Green's role or something, I don't know. At his age, he's 42 years old, right? How much workload is he looking for in that final season when he goes to retire? I don't really know. But if he was capable of playing 17 minutes a game last year and being productive, I honestly think it's probably better or more fair or more reasonable to put him in a position to actually play some minutes. I don't think that's going to happen on Toronto. Maybe I'm being too practical. Maybe you wanted me to be emotional. On an emotional level, I think it would be really cool. But hey, you could still have a tribute or something. He comes back, you hang the jersey, you clap, you play the songs, you roll the clip. You can still do all that. You don't necessarily have to go the whole way in a practical sense, as far as I'm concerned. There you have it, Will.